If your BMW X1 shows a black screen when you launch Apple CarPlay, don't panic. It's usually a software handshake issue. Over 85% of these connectivity glitches are caused by iDrive software timing out rather than hardware failure. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your maps and music back on the dashboard. The most effective fix is a hard iDrive reset. Hold that volume knob down until the system fully cycles. On your iPhone, verify that Siri is active and that your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both switched on. Disable any VPNs or personal hotspots, as these often block the wireless data stream to the iDrive unit. If a simple reset doesn't work, you'll need to delete the phone from the car and start the pairing process fresh. Remember that hardware failure is rare. 60% of the time, the iDrive system just needs a cache clear. To perform a clean repair, forget the device on both the phone and the car before attempting a new connection. If the entire iDrive system is sluggish or failing, you may need a firmware update from a certified BMW technician. Most tech issues in modern BMWs can be solved with a simple reboot. Don't let a black screen ruin your drive. Your BMW X1 should now be back online. Hit subscribe for more quick fixes for your German engineering.